Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Kyle with Bish's RV in Junction City, Oregon. Today I'm going to show you this 2022 lightly used Stellar Eclipse 27FS. This one's a toy hauler, really nice rig, really nice gently used rig, so let's check this one out. If you find this video informative or helpful, please feel free to like and subscribe right now. You got the fiberglass front cap with the LED lights on the top there. Really nice look you got going on. You got the bigger propane tanks, the power tongue jack, as well as the 2 batteries. The other really good thing about this one is on this side. Check this out. Yes, it does have a generator. It's a 4,000 Onan generator. And I think it is, yeah, it's a gas generator. So really, really nice hookup there. You don't have to worry about getting your own gen right there, okay? So that's awesome. Let's go on this side over here, checking out this Stellar. You got also the, well, not pass-through storage, you just got some storage area right here. In there, you also get some tables that you can use for the inside as well. Nice tinted windows to where it's not super see-through, which is really nice. You also got the nice light right here, and then as well as the speakers, so you can party outside and hang out while you're chilling. You can also see that there's an awning right there as well. Got the nice handle, and it's got the solid steps right here. Let's go on inside and check out the inside of this rig. Come on in. Here's the living space here. So you got an open floor plan. You got the seating area right here, which does convert into a sleeping space or tucked away as well. You can see it's also got the slide out as well. So it comes in just a little bit, not a ton, which is pretty nice. You also got some storage right here at the top if you needed it, if I can open it. Quite nice there. Then you got the nice comfy rocking chairs, guys. When you're hanging out and riding your toys, you also want a place to relax. So all the people that ride them, you gotta have these chairs as well. You also have the seating right here as well, and the bunk right above. Okay, really nice and convenient, just right up there. It does lift all the way up, so you do have space for your toys, okay? You also got the curtain here too, if you wanted. If there's another person sleeping in here, you can have some privacy that way. Turn it around this way, you got more storage compartments right here. Like I said, guys, this isn't new. This is a used one. So, and you also got the big, huge window right there. Nice little detail. You also got your electronic stuff right up here. So lights, pumps, you know, the monitor reads and seeing if they're accurate right up there, as well as the radio. Right, turning around, you got the kitchen. Right at the top, you got the TCL TV right there. And then you also got the big, huge refrigerator, the Dometic fridge, which is gas and electric, okay? So nice size. You can go out to the dunes or to the mountains for a little while. You also got your kitchen essentials here, right? So you got your sink, the stainless steel sink, which is nice. You got your storage right up above here. You got some counter space right here, which is kind of nice. 3-burner stove cooktop, as well as the oven and the microwave at the top there. And then a couple other places for storage on the bottom. Let's go right over here into the bathroom. I'm gonna let you peek on in here first before we go into the bedroom. So you got a nice corner shower there, which gives nice for space. Got a little bit taller ceiling. And you also got the nice toilet as well, and some places for storage. Really cool bathroom. Again, guys, this one is used, so at a used price, this one's pretty awesome. You also got the north to south bed. Okay, it's a queen size bed. You got windows here, so you can have that natural lighting. And you also do have that AC and heater right at the top. So, and it goes throughout the whole entire coach with the ducts, which is pretty nice. And then some places for storage and compartments, as you see on both sides of the bed. So if you wanted to charge your phone, you can, or any other devices. Let's see, there might be some space under here more and there is. Check out the space right there. Nice storage, and you can access it from the side, from outside there, which is pretty nice. Guys, if you like this rig or it interests you or any other toy hauler, please feel free to give me a call, okay? My name is Kyle. You can call me at 541-799-8794. Would love to talk to you. But for now, happy camping.